At the door! Strider! Strider! You good?
This guy in the window that's watching this on the left, he's like, he's ex-SWAT, and I'm guessing he enjoyed that reaction of theirs as much as I did.
Hit! Game over! Ow! It's stakes, it's stakes. Ball through. There you go. Hold this.
You don't need to shoot. You don't need to shoot. Speak out. Tell me if you're watching. On which side's yours.
One.
Behind the shield. Behind the.
Hello there! One on either side. Shoot him, shoot. Shoot. Don't go up. Out? I'm gonna go grab my rifle. I have no gun. What's going on? Logan!
They died.
Logan, are you down? Give me the shield, Terry. Hey, are you down? Do you guys have respawns? Really? You're not feeding. I don't think you're feeding. You ready?
Like right here, I was getting blind fire on the staircase pretty hard, so it's pretty difficult to move any farther up than that. And also, I figured I was gonna have my entire team like rallying behind me, like going up the stairs, but no one went up. And then as I tried to step down the staircase, I got shot in the back of the leg by a teammate.
Friendlies coming up. That's our teammate. That's our teammate. You're good.
Meanwhile, Logan gets to do this after I get friendly fired, and you know, pretty much target of the party.
All friendly. Game over.